Have you been considering subscribing to the Adobe Lightroom plan, or maybe even the Adobe photography plan, which includes Photoshop, and you're a little bit hesitant if you should do it, especially considering it's a subscription and you can no longer buy Photoshop or Lightroom? But before you decide to subscribe to one of these Adobe Creative Cloud plans, you may want to consider alternatives, especially if you're on a budget or you're a photography enthusiast, or maybe even a casual photographer that doesn't use photography software often. There are a few free alternatives to Lightroom and Photoshop. And right now, the best free alternative to Lightroom, or at least Lightroom Classic, which has the comprehensive image management, is Darktable. Darktable is an open source software, so it's managed by a community of developers. Within Darktable, you can label or color label photos and organize it, as well as you can edit raw photos. And then on the Photoshop side, the best Photoshop alternative, which is free, is Affinity. Affinity was originally 3 separate software, but it was bought out by Canva back in 2024, or acquired by Canva. And Canva bundled the 3 Affinity software, which was Affinity Photo, Designer, and Affinity Publisher, I believe. And they bundled it into one Affinity Studio application and made it free to everyone at the end of 2025, which is a pretty big hit to Adobe's software and the Creative Cloud plan. But within Affinity, you can also render raw photos within its Develop Studio, just like Photoshop's Camera Raw. And it also supports layers and retouching and adjustment filters, just like Photoshop. The one thing about Affinity, it is free, 100% free. But if you want to use its generative AI features or retouching or tools, you'll need a Canva Pro subscription. But I already tested the generative AI features within Affinity supported by Canva, and they're not that great. So for Affinity itself, you don't need the premium or the Canva Pro version. You're pretty much good to go with the free version of Affinity. So there you have it pretty much. So for the best Photoshop alternative, it's Affinity, and for Lightroom, it's Darktable. The one thing you do need to keep in mind is that Darktable, it is a little bit clunky or finicky, and it does have a steep learning curve. The interface is not as intuitive as Lightroom or Lightroom Classic, but at least it's free. The other thing is, if you do decide to subscribe to the Adobe photography plan or the Lightroom plan, I do have a link below. I am an affiliate and I do earn a commission, but I always want to offer free alternatives that help my viewers save money. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to the Adobe photography plan through one of my links. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.